Hi all, eye opener kit Ifixit from Amazon. This is if you need to open cell phone and fix it. So this is the kit you need. So after opening it, you have all these parts. And what you have this credit card. It is used to open the slot when you start to open the back cover from the front cover or the screen from your cover. And then you have another plastic tools like this. It's all the same to open aside the phone. And then you have another one like this. Maybe this is to open connectors. You can also use this to open connector, of course. And then you have a vacuum that you put on your back cover on the screen in order to lift it up. And you have also a plastic tool. Again, they're all the same for the same purpose, to open the connectors and open the slots that you opened. And another one like a pen type. This is also, you can use this part here to lift the connector up, and also the part, the sharp edge, you can use it. And you have tweezers. I never use them, but probably you can use them from time to time. I can't think about how and to what to do with them. And then you have a magnetic screwdriver that you have two bits. One of them is flat one, yeah, and the other one is Phillips. It's a shame that they don't have a Torx, because you know iPhone are using Torx, so maybe if they prepare a magnetic bit with Torx, it also be nice. And the most important thing is this heater, yeah. This, you put it on the microwave for 30 seconds, of course on microwave only, and not heating element, yeah, you don't want to melt it. And it catch a lot of heat, and you put it on your phone like this and wait maybe 1 minute or more till it is the glue is melting, and it is easier to open it from the slots. So this is a must-have kit, yeah. You can use, of course, also another kind of heaters like I have, like melting soldering, so I can set it to 100 degrees, and this is enough. But I think this is a better way to do it. Just keep in mind that you probably will need to heat it in the microwave a few times till it's easy for you to remove the cover or the back cover or the screen or whatever. This is from Amazon. I will put a link in the description. That's all. Thank you and bye.